Hi guys, Dave's here. Today we're going to make a Christmas wreath out of memory chips out of computers, a hard disk platter, and maybe some other stuff here. Now all we're going to use is, I picked this little pan up here from a Dollar General store. Got it for $3. Then we're going to use some glue sticks to glue the memory sticks on here. Okay, I glued the hard drive platter in the middle. To the best of my knowledge, it's close to the center as I can get it. So now we're going to add some memory chips to it. And all I'm going to do is add some hot glue to it. Press it in place. Okay guys, here it is finished up. I added some lights here from the Dollar Tree. Now, of course, a couple of them is burned out. I guess that's what you get for $1. And I also made a couple small ones down here, and what I done was took the hard drive platter and just glue up the little laptop memory sticks to them. But this is something I've been wanting to make for a while. I work with computers, so it's just fitting for me. I hope everybody has a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Again, thanks for watching, guys.